Post this on Facebook, wait a few days, and collect your earnings. Today, we will be going over a passive income strategy that I know many of you have never seen before, so keep watching to find out how it works. However, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss more said videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, guys, let's now jump straight into the video itself. Alright guys, so as you've just heard, we will be using Facebook to get paid today. But you really want to stick with me because I have another platform we will be combining with Facebook in order to make this work. Anyhow, your first step is to create a Facebook account. Now I know that the vast majority of you already have one, but if you don't, then go ahead and create one. Add a profile picture and a cover and you're good to go from there. Once you have your account created, what you need to do from there is click on this plus located in the upper right corner and then on group. This will now bring you over to this page, and as you may guess, we will be indeed creating a group, guys. And while this is confusing for now, when you reach the end of this video, it will all be crystal clear, I promise. With that said, the group you will be creating needs to be in the Make Money Online niche, and so the name of the group has to be along the lines of making money online. The next thing you need to do is set the group on public. This means that people don't need to be members of the group in order to be able to see everything in said group, like posts and who are the members. The last thing you will need to do is to add a few members to the group. 5 or 10 people will do. Since I'm just using this as an example, I'll skip that part, but make sure to add a few members here, and then click on Create down below. With that done, once you create your group, your next step is to add a nice cover relating to making money online, as I've done here. If you don't know where to get Facebook covers, then I have a few options for you. The first one is using a site that most of you already know about, which is called canva.com. Canva is essentially a designer's website where you can, for free, design a bunch of stuff. They range from website designs to posters, presentations, Facebook covers, which is exactly what we're after, and so on. In any case, what you want to do when you come on Canva is create an account. I, as you can see, have already done so. In order to do it yourselves, you will have to click on a sign up button, which will be located in the upper right corner somewhere around here. Just click on in and create your account and log in from there. Now, once you create your account, in order to create a Facebook cover, just hover your mouse over templates here and select Facebook covers. Doing just that will bring you over to this page, and you now just have to find a fitting template for your Make Money Online group. Just see which one you think fits best and click on it. Then you need to click on Use this template, and that's it. Canva will now bring you to the customization page, and on this page, you will need to write what I did so myself. Make money online like so, and make sure to read the announcements below as well. You'll see why this is important soon enough, by the way. Finally, when done, click on download in the upper right corner to download it to your PC. Then just come back to the Facebook group, click on edit, then upload the photo and upload the cover to your group. With that out of the way, let me now reveal to you the site that will be paying us today. The site in question is called offervault.com. Some of you may have heard about this and know what it is, but I know many of you haven't, so let me briefly explain. OfferVault is an affiliate marketplace where you can find many offers that will pay you for promoting them. For those of you who are familiar with affiliate marketing, you most probably have heard about ClickBank and Digistore24. Both of these are awesome affiliate sites, but they lack CPL, or cost per lead offers, and OfferVault, as you may guess, has them. The thing with CPL offers is that, as the name suggests, you get paid per lead. So in other words, you just need people to sign up to some website for absolutely free. This is in stark contrast to offers you can find on Digistore24 and ClickBank that literally require someone to buy a product for you to get paid. And since convincing someone to buy something is much harder, you will easily be able to get far more people to your affiliate link using CPL offers than otherwise would be the case. This is why OfferVault is a perfect website for you to use. Anyways, your first step on OfferVault is to click on Register in order to create an account. Then just enter in your first and last names, email address, your password, your country, and click on Submit Now to create your brand new account. Now that you have your account, you will be able to get affiliate links for offers. But we will be focusing on gift cards in particular, and I will explain why in a second. What you need to do first is click on Categories here, then select CPL, and with that same filter applied, search for gift cards like I've done so myself. This will now show you people who are offering free gift cards, and gift card offers are the way to go, guys. Simply because everyone would love to earn some free money. This is also why we made a Make Money Online group in the first place, because people in that group will surely be interested in free gift cards. And all those people have to do in order for you to get paid is sign up for free to the website. They then have a chance to win a free gift card while you get paid. So literally everybody wins in this situation. Anyways, what you need to do now is just grab an affiliate link from a gift card offer. I'll use this one as an example. When you grab your link, your next step now is to come over to your Gmail account first, and then we'll come back over to Facebook. Now, Gmail, believe it or not, guys, is a huge part of this strategy. And what you need to do is create a brand new Gmail account for this purpose, or use one where you don't receive any messages at all. Either way, what you need to do here is click on Settings, then on See All Settings. From there, scroll down to the bottom until you come across the Vacation Responder. Vacation Responder, as you can see right here, sends an automated reply to incoming messages. And what you will need to do is turn it on. This is why I said you'll most likely need a brand new account for this. Now, what will be in the actual reply, you will just type below. And you'll want to type something along these lines, guys. You want the name of the message to be congratulations, and write in the actual message something along the lines of, you can win a free Amazon gift card by clicking on the link below. You can perhaps add in how much the gift card is worth, so whether it's a $500 or $1,000 one, but regardless, you want to type a message like this, and then add your affiliate link below. Using the Vacation Responder, though, begs the question, who will send us messages? Well, this is where Facebook comes in. What you will need to do is post something in your group along these lines. So, inform the people who are members that you are running a gift card giveaway, and then tell them that if they want to participate, they have to do the following steps. Like the post, add 10 people to the group, and finally contact you via email. This post will do two very important things for you. First off, it will bring members to your new group. Secondly, and more importantly, in order for people to receive the link to the gift card giveaway, they have to contact you via email. And every single time some of them do, your Vacation Responder will send them the message that includes your affiliate link automatically. This is a very unique way to get traffic to an affiliate link, guys, that I don't think you've ever seen anywhere. And it's a powerful method simply because you have to do this once, and that's literally all there is to it. You'll easily get a ton of clicks on your link and thus earn a lot of money. Now, what you can do when the giveaway concludes is get more affiliate links to more giveaways from Offer Vault and promote them in the same fashion. And as I said before, everyone wins in this scenario. You get to earn a lot of money in passive income, and people get a chance to earn a free gift card. Anyway, with that said, we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon in some of my newer tutorials.